Snipes 4664 showing you how to disassemble stock impulse. First, take off your duckbill, ASA, rail, whatever it may be. Next, unscrew your regulator. Now take your grip frame off. If you have a non-vision impulse, make sure you don't pull the frame off too quickly because you'll actually have the Noid cable attached directly to the board. For me, I have vision, so it doesn't matter, but you'll have this cable connected to here, and if you pull it off too early, you might mess up the wires. So just set that aside. Next, to take out your bottom tube assembly with the valve and ram assembly, take out your bolt first. Next, take an adjustable wrench and unscrew your ram assembly. Next, take off your front cap. And now if you have a vision impulse, you're going to have to take off your daughter board to access the valve retaining screw. So carefully pull out your Noid wire and unscrew the two screws holding in the daughter board. Now you can see the valve retaining screw. Just take, it might be an Allen wrench, but for me it's just flathead. But unscrew this. And you'll see the valve face there, and just take whatever it may be, either just preferably something blunt. You can take a pencil or something, but I use a squeegee. Just push out the back. Always out the back. And there's your valve. And that pretty much sums it up.